Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can change the virtual background of your Google Meet. Yep, for those of you that if you are attending a Google Meet meeting and thinking of like, hey, my background, since I'm working from home or you're working from, different places and you don't want people to see the background, the existing background, during your meeting. So how are we able to change the virtual background? So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Now I'm currently in my Google Meet meetings here. So if you can see currently at the back, this is my actual background of my house, right? So sometimes your background might be a little bit messy for you to attend some online meetings, okay, via Google Meet, right? So how are you able to change the background to a virtual background? Yeah. So if you're looking at my screen right now, okay, on the bottom right here, there's these three dots for more option. Yeah. So once you click in, you'll be able to see the change background. Yeah. So right here you can just click on that. And there are actually few ways for you to change your background. Yeah. If you don't want to use some graphic, you can actually make it blur. Yeah. So if you can see over right here, slightly blur your background. And this one is in terms of the blurriness, is actually more than that. Yeah. So if you see this one, slight blur, okay, and this one, you can't really see what's at the back. Okay, so it gives you like that kind of like blur, effect over right here. Yeah, but some of you will be thinking of like, hey, I actually want to like change to maybe office background. Yeah, so this is something that you can see from here. Google Meet actually they gave you like a few of the default background for you to choose, right? Quite nice, isn't it? Yeah. So some of the background, okay. So maybe let's say I want to go to outdoor, go to the beach, yeah. So a few of the images that you can use, and you can just change it right here, and you'll be immediately reflect to your, when you're turning on your camera. Yeah. So what I will usually do is that I will either turn off my cam and I will just change my, setting first. Then, then it's only it appear as in like, hey, or else people will be looking at your background will be keep changing like that. Okay. So I will actually turn it off first. Then I will choose whatever background that I prefer. Let's say this one. Then only I will click and it will be activated. Yeah. So some of you guys, if you're looking at for, like kind of like branding background like this, you can also design a nice background and upload to Google Meet. Yeah. So this is the place where you can actually click on this plus size button. Okay, this plus button, right? And you can actually just upload from your from your drive. So let's say I actually want to have like a solid color. Let's say a solid color, blue color, right? So I can actually, upload this picture. And yeah, so I will have a very nice clean background. So if I want a fully dark color background, yeah, this kind of color, if you can see on the right hand side, the settings, right, it doesn't allow you to choose the color option. So for all these kind of solid color, you actually need to download as an image. Yeah, you actually need to prepare as an image. Yeah. So if you actually prefer to upload your own picture like mine, right, modern office, whatever picture that you prefer, this is what you can do. You can just go to Google and search for an image, right? So earlier the one that I'm doing is the color background. So let's say I want to do a red color background. I will just search of this. This is a little bit too striking. Maybe I will just go with this one. Let's say, yeah. So I will just save it to my over right here, my laptop, right? And maybe I will go with another one. I want to go to mountain. Yep. So maybe this one. Alright, I'll just save as a background. And I'll just go back to my Google Meet, and over here I'll just upload the mountain picture. Dun, 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 dun. You can see this. I'm blocking the view, right? So the other one, let's say is the red color one. Yep. So that's it. Okay. So basically, it's kind of like very simple. You can just click on the three dots right here and go to change background. Yep. And you can just choose, like any images that you prefer to change to your virtual background. So that's all in this video that I would like to share with you, how you can change your background in Google Meet to a virtual background. And if you successfully change your background, please leave a comment below and let me know. Yeah. And meanwhile, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And I will see you in the next video.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.